pull out all this interior right here. So to do that, you've got screws right here, and then you also have to take off this right here, which is a screw down there. So we'll get to doing that first. Comes with two of these. They go inside the short shifter, so the bolt sits in there nicely. I'm using the smaller one, so you just gotta work out which one to use. Just gotta sit it inside there, and this one fits nicely in there. So you just want to use some lubricant. I'm just using some WD-40 white lithium grease, and spray that on this and put it in there like that. In, we put the lube down there. It was quite tough to get in. We ended up using a hammer and hitting it in. We also had to put some washers on there as well, just so it was a nice firm fit. But now it's time to put the bolt back through and see the difference. Easier. I'm just undoing this metal bit so I can get this hose out the way to get the bolt in, because it's just all a bit in the way there. So I'll get to undoing that now. So if you have an Outback, don't bother pulling out this metal part right here, because this cable won't let you do anything. Like, you still can't get any better access to the bolt. If you have a Liberty, would, because I'm pretty sure this low range and high range was only featured in the Outback. So the Liberty would be fine, because it wouldn't have all this cord and you can pull it out and it would give you maybe some better access in there. But otherwise, I just got to try getting the bolt in how it is. But the washers that I had put there made it like so when you tightened up the bolt, like you couldn't move it around really easily, and to get it to move you had to loosen it, and I was a bit worried about the nut falling off mid-drive, so I had to pull it out to pull the washers off. And as I pulled it off, you can't really see down there, I had to pull this out again, but down in behind there's a thing called a rubber cushion which holds that rod. When I was pulling it out again, that snapped, just because of the old age of it, so I'm gonna have to order a new part to replace that and then go from there.